Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy Plunger Blocks and then with another video of Plunger Blocks 10. Today we're going to check out the new game which is called Plants vs Brainrots Jungle Made. Uh, I have did play this game grinding, but let's see how my friend reacts. Let's see. Yo, bro, che- check out his Brainrots, guys. Check out his Brainrots. Bombardillo, this Dragon Cannon Lawn. Yeah, but I can't say. He has good brain rots, guys. I only have a little. Yo, man, if you can type in the chat, you could. Uh, what was I saying again? Today we're going to check out for like 10 minutes, I think. Joel, nothing's good. My best is this one I got from the Fusion machine. Let's see. Wait, where's my Tralalelo? Do I have it? Tralalelo, tralala. Honestly, I just do it for fun. No hard feelings on this. I'm doing it for fun. Yo! Mr. Carrot is in stock. Like for real, Mr. Carrot's in stock, bruh. But I don't have any much money. Oh my god, man. I suck. I freaking suck, bro. I freaking suck. I need money. Oh no. I freaking suck, bro. At this, I need to sell some brain rots. But well, carrots in stock. If you want me to go live, I'll make sure I could do that. I'll make sure, guys. I only have 23 million right now on me. How much money does he have? He has 89 million. Lucky. Why do I get a little bit of money, bruh? I won't be able to reach it. He had 150 million, bruh. Actually, I want this in stock. Carnivorous plant. That's the only one I could afford right now. I recently rebirth, so that's why I'm low money. But I want to make another one of these. This, let me see. 4 dash 6. I'm laggy. Okay, let me get that gold sunflower out. Cacao? What? Man, speaking English, bro. They won't know. But please, Berber Patipim. That's why. I got no carrot guns. Oh, that's so sad, man. Well, no way, no Berber Patipim must still spawn. Oh, there's I see Berber Patipim. I'll easy others. Let me place this down. I already have this. I just want another one of these. Get me more money. Okay, wait, how is he? I actually need some seeds. He has no typing chat yet. 50, 60, yeah, 25, like that. Oh man. Yo. Thank you. Everybody likes to attack here. I just deleted one of my plants for a good one. Man, he's so lucky as a 7-point Dragon Cannelloni. He traded his Lavaca for it. Yo, man, is this Kian? Kian, man! Wait. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I told him to speak in English. Uh, I told him to speak in English, so you won't be having what is that called again? You won't be confused with the language. As you know, we're Filipino. Look what's in stock. They're lucky, bruh. They're lucky. I'm sad, bro. Let's explore his. His name is Kian in real life. Damn! Look at this. Oh, I need Lavaca. I need Lavaca, please. Is the Berber Patapim big? Let me beg him. Yo, man. Please, brain rats. Hmm? What did I get? Please, brain rats. I beg you. Brain rat. Bruh. I'm gonna tell how to get lost carrots. Lost carrots. How to lost, bruh. Get lost, Mr. Carrot. How to get my language. Then man, I want to get that one. We have this one. Use Mr. Carrot. Los Tralalitos. Who have Mr. Carrot? Please, I need. Who have Mr. Carrot? Please, I need. I need Mr. Carrot, bruh. Please, I'm begging someone. I'm begging. Who can give? Who can give, man? Who can give? Who can give, man? Me begging like for real. Yeah, I need a lost Mr. Carrot. I'm not even rich yet. Ah, for the vid, man. For the vid. I'm literally begging them. Yeah. Ooh, meow, meow. Ooh, meow, meow, meow. Yeah, I'm begging them. They won't even give. I don't know how about him, my friend. Oh, I think Ian left. Yeah, he left. He just went to buy. Oh my god. 10 times lock activated. What do I get from it? Oh my god, man. So what is he typing, man? Bruh. I'm literally so poor at this game. So, yeah. Where's the other one? Sunflower, I think. That's what it called. This is small. Not bigger than that, though. So, do I have the watermelon? I'll turn you into rot. Oh my god, man. What? Is he crazy? Is he crazy, man? But I want to play. Guys, who can give me good stuff? I will make sure you will be sponsored in my next vid. I'll make sure if you give me some stuff, guys. Please, I'm begging. I'm joking, guys. I like to grind. But damn, man, it sucks. It absolutely sucks. That no one will give. Oh yeah, shout out, shout out. Yeah, my bad, don't get so angry. Oh my god, I'm lagging, guys. As you can see, I'm lagging. And I need seeds, bro. Ooh, they need to spawn me carnivorous plant seed. I want carnivorous. I will I will mix that up with good brain. Los Tralalitos. I do have this one. Los Tralalitos, my secret. But I need Lost Mr. Carrot. Guys, raiding all of my brain rats except my Los Tralalitos. for except my Los Tralalitos, for a Mr. Carrot. I gotta type that, but they don't have a trading server yet. So I'm trading all my brain rats in here. But except my Los Tralalitos. I need it for Mr. Carrot. That's the trade I'm trying to find. If someone will be willing to offer, type, type. I will make a post trading all my brain rats except here. For Mr. Carrot, guys, type, type, type. Oh my god. I'll check the comments here. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Ew. Ow! Oh. No good seeds. No good seeds. Ah, dang it. So guys, for that, I've been sick lately. Not really sick, but I have been really. Let me place them down. The mananagan. Hard longer. Place this. Pop. Huh? Yes! Take that. Oh man, look at this. Mr. Carrot. What's up, my man? Oh my god. A gold tralalitas. I think I got a lost tralalitos yesterday. Okay, guys. Yeah, he's trying to get back. Can the banana gun? Is that the banana gun? Bro, we're actually fighting. It's for fun though. I do not condone violence. I do not. But it is fun. Take the carrot launcher in. Over. Only 10 times luck, I guess. That's all, guys. Thank you for the vid. This is a short one, but thank you for the vid and see you next time.